Hey, my name is Michael Milholland. Today I'm going to be doing a project on the mechanical advantage on Pinewood Derby cars. I'm in the EGR150 Intro to Engineering class. My professor is Hans Chapman, and I go to Cape Fear Community College. I'm doing my engineering project on Pinewood Derby cars and how I can make each one of them go a little bit faster with some basic mechanical engineering. This car always went a little bit faster than this car, and there's a few reasons for that. If we take a look at the center of gravity on this black and green car, it's about right down the middle. Right there in the middle of the car. If we look at this purple car, it's a lot further back, just in front of the rear tire. So there's a lot more space on the front side. The reason that's important has to do with the way the track is shaped. The cars come down a ramp like this, and then at the end they go onto the flat part, and then they finish. So as the car goes down the ramp, it's accelerating the whole time. But as soon as it hits the flat part is when it reaches its top speed, and that has to carry it to the finish line. With the center of gravity in the middle, as this car comes down, right about here is when it reaches its top speed, because it can't accelerate past the center of gravity. So right there is when that car reaches top speed. This car comes all the way down, keeps going right about there. It doesn't seem like much, it seems a little trivial, but that can mean a lot in a race because it's a very tight thing with just a few seconds can make a big change. So right about here is when this car reaches its final part of the center of gravity. So it gets just a little bit more acceleration. Another reason that this car was a little bit faster is because there was a lot of friction on the axles, which we found out building this car. So these wheels are on axles that haven't been sanded at all. So when I spin them, they don't spin for long. I'm gonna do a little demonstration with that. So if I spin this wheel and start a timer, it'll go for about 8.5 seconds. Whereas if I take this car and spin the wheel, about 14.5 seconds. So again, that doesn't seem like a whole lot, but everything matters, even the little things, when it comes to the racing. In conclusion, by shifting the center of gravity to the back of the car was able to accelerate for a longer period of time and go faster overall. Also, by sanding the axles down and smoothing out the ridges left there from the factory production, the friction on the wheel was reduced and the speed was increased. Thank you.